Hello everyone, welcome back. We are dealing with the different types of carbon atoms present in organic molecule. Okay, where the idea about the primary carbon, secondary carbon, and tertiary carbon is very important. Okay, because sometimes the reactivity of primary is different, secondary is different, and tertiary is different. Where you must have an idea which carbon is primary, which carbon is secondary, and which is tertiary in the molecule. Okay, fine. So three different types of carbons. Primary carbon. So what do you mean by a primary carbon? If a carbon has one CC bond, okay, one sigma bond between carbon atoms, then such a carbon we will call it as primary carbon. Say for example, I have a molecule CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, so if I elaborate and write, I'll write the elaborate structural formula for this. H, 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 C, H, 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 H. Okay, so this is elaborate structural formula. Fine. And coming, look this carbon. The first carbon I am taking. How many bonds are there with another carbon? Say it is having 3 bonds with hydrogen. I am not talking about the bonds that are there with hydrogen. I want to concentrate the bonds which are there with another carbon. Okay, so for this carbon, every carbon has 4 bonds around it, definitely. So among the 4 bonds, 3 bonds are already there with hydrogen. So there is only one bond with carbon. Okay, so this is what we call CC bond. Okay, so this carbon is showing only one bond, one sigma bond with adjacent carbon atom. Okay, so such a carbon we will call it as primary carbon. Okay, so in this molecule, this particular carbon is called primary carbon. Okay, fine. And coming to the second carbon. Okay, so this is our second carbon. Okay, so the one which I have kept it in the square is second carbon. So observe the bonds around this carbon. Yeah, definitely it is also having 4 bonds around it, right? Among them 2 bonds are with hydrogen, but 2 bonds are with carbons only. Okay, so if a carbon has 2 CC bonds, then such a carbon we will call it as secondary carbon. Such a carbon we will call it as secondary carbon. Okay, so this particular carbon has one bond with this C, another bond with this C. Okay, so it is having 2 CC bonds, 2 bonds with adjacent carbons. Okay, so such a carbon we will call it as secondary carbon. Okay, say primary means 1 degree, like this we will write. Just think that 1 means carbon having 1 CC bond. Okay, 2 means carbon, this particular carbon has 2 CC bonds. So among the 4 of its bond, 2 bonds are with carbon only. Okay, so such a carbon we will call it as secondary carbon. Okay, and what about what type of carbon it is? Say, can you say the one which I have put it in a diamond mark? What type of carbon? Primary or secondary? Just try to observe the number of CC bonds around it. 3 bonds are with hydrogen. These bonds I don't want. Okay, I want only carbon-carbon bonds. So how many carbon-carbon bonds are involved with this carbon? Only 1. So definitely this particular carbon is also primary. Okay, and now I'll give you one more example for you. Yes, see this example. You know what type of carbon it is? It is having only 1 CC bonds, isn't it? See the carbons which I am putting it in a boxes. Observe the number of CC bonds present with this carbon, only 1. So this carbon is primary. And coming to this carbon, only 1 CC bond. Okay, among the 4 bonds, 3 are with hydrogen. The 4th bond is with carbon only. So 1 CC bond is there. So this particular carbon is also primary. And coming to this carbon, this is also primary. What about this carbon? Can you able to find out how many CC bonds are there? This carbon having 4 bonds. Among them, one is with hydrogen, remaining 3 bonds are with adjacent carbons only. Remaining 3 bonds are with its own type of an atom carbon, right? So 3 CC bonds you have around this particular carbon. So such a carbon we will call it as 3rd degree carbon, okay, or tertiary carbon, right? So this is the idea about primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon. Okay, now I'll give you another big organic molecule, and in a molecule try to find out which carbon is primary, which is secondary and which is tertiary. Okay, so the molecule is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so this is the molecule we have. So I want what type of carbons are there. Okay, I mean primary, secondary or tertiary. Coming to this carbon, it's having only 1 CC bond, right? So this is a 1st degree carbon, and this one 1st degree carbon. And how about this carbon? It's having 3 CC bonds. One is this, 2nd CC bond and 3rd CC bond. 3rd CC bond, isn't it? 4th bond is with hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. This particular carbon has 3 CC bonds. So this is called tertiary carbon. And this carbon has 2 CC bonds. One is this, another one is this. Okay, 2 bonds are with carbons only. So such a carbon we will call it as 2 degree carbon. This is also 2 degree carbon, but this one is 1 degree carbon. Okay, so this is how you must able to find out which carbon is what, 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. Okay, so this is one of the important basic concept that you should be aware of. Why? Because I am going to tell you, different carbons react differently. Primary may react differently, secondary may react differently, and tertiary may react differently. Okay, so you should have a basic idea about this. Fine. So in my next video, I am going to talk about the functional groups that are present in organic molecules. If you like the concept, please like the video, share it and subscribe for the more updates.